I'm going to try to get you guys the best possible view. Ignore the paint on the top of the block. This all surfaces got to be cleaned anyway. We're going to start with a 3-stone hone to hone this so get a nice flat surface. So hopefully I can see if I got any low spots. Let's see if we can take a little look-see. And see what we're looking like so far. Well, I appear to be making contact all the way around, all the way up and down. You can see a little bit. You probably can't see it. Let's see if I can make this thing do what I want it to do. Right there at the very bottom of the ring. I got a spot right there. Can't feel it, but you can see it. Can't feel it at all, but I've got a lot more honing to do. So let's just continue on. And see how it goes. Go. Oops. Tighten the stones down just a hair. And let's take another little look-see. I pretty much got all my parts in. Clutch came in today. Water pump came in the other day. I'm still waiting on the oil pump that they already sent once, but it got damaged in shipping, so they had to resend it again. Oh my. Well, that's cleaning up really nice. Now there's just that one little bitty line down there. And I will use a ball hone to get a good crosshatch in it. Yeah, I am real happy with that. I just wanted you to see how things were going along with this. You can see a little bit of this, like right there at the very top. That would be, I guess, where the top ring hits. So, I want to hone it absolute minimum. I will take the ball hone to it. I still got a little tiny, but you can't feel it. I don't want to hone it enough to get rid of that totally. I mean, that's not significant. So, that's where I'm at. This is going to be all there is to this video, is just honing a cylinder bore. 3-stone hone is the best way to go, at least to begin with. That'll tell you if you got any spots in the cylinder, you know, where you got a low spot. Well, you can't see through my finger. If you had a low spot over here or over here or something like that, you'd have a dark spot like right there, which you probably can't even see. Tried to get you the best position, but sometimes it's not exactly as good as we want it to be. But that's it for this. Well, like I said, after I do all the cylinders with the 3-stone hone, they're all good. I'll run the ball hone to get my crosshatch, and then I can start putting it together. Well, let's just say I'll be done with this part of it. Then I'll set the bearings in, set the crank in, plastic gauge everything. Shining a light at you, huh? So, yes, I bought a new light. That's it. Have a good day. Like, share, no, it's over there. Like, share, subscribe. Just like this. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. You know, whatever makes you happy. And be good to one another. And hey, if you get really bored, swing over to my YouTube page. It's Ken Stuff on the YouTube page. Duh. Swing over to my Facebook page. Ken Stuff on Facebook. I'll put a link. Oh, I got to get my finger the right way. It's going to be over here. Down there at the bottom below the video. To it. Alright. Be good. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Enjoy life. Bye. like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen, whatever. Be good to one another. Treat people like you want to be treated. And thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, go to my Facebook page. It'll be, a link will be down there. Now, bye.